4, and then I go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring her in the front of me. Do the shuffle. Now my main intention is to get my partner towards my right. Roll my partner in towards my right. So from the shuffle we'll go roll it in towards the right and here. Now once she's on your right, I need to guide her out and move her towards my left and move her back and tap. So the counts would go 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. Now once I tap it from here, I can move her in the front and do the basic, come back into the shuffle. So the main idea is to get your partner towards your right, and what you can do is from here, give her a slight push, guide her towards the direction you want her to go to. Here, 2, 3, 4, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, and then get back into the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can also do a double hand upper lock. For this it goes. So it's this. Same thing here. So both the hands go up and guide her out and